Hi everyone, welcome to my second assessment on the topic my family. For this assessment, you're gonna be given the word in English. You have to find the Lingala for it. It's less than 10 minutes. So what we're gonna have, okay, we have 15 questions, multiple choice, 4 choices to pick from, and it's on Bakombo ya batu ya libota nangai na aunty. So it's about the names of my family members in English. Okay, as I said, I'll give you the word in English. You have to find the Lingala for it. We have 15 questions. Off we go. Number one. What is the Lingala for my parents? Leki ya mobali nangai, baleki nangai, baboti nangai, mama kulutu nangai. 5 seconds. Baboti nangai. Number 2. What is the Lingala for my name is? Nafanda kana, kombo nangai, tata nangai, mama nangai. Off we go. Kombo nangai. Number 3. What is the Lingala for my father? Nafanda kana, kombo nangai, yaya nangai, tata nangai. Off we go. Tata nangai. Number 4. What is the Lingala for my nephew? Mwana nkasi nangai ya mwasi, mama leki nangai, mwana nkasi nangai ya mobali, mama kulutu nangai. Off we go. Mwana nkasi nangai ya mobali. Number 5. What is the Lingala for my little brother? Leki nangai ya mobali, leki nangai ya mwasi, mama kulutu nangai, tata nangai. Off we go. Leki nangai ya mobali. Number 6. What is the Lingala for my uncle? Mwasi nangai, mama leki nangai, noko nangai, mama kulutu nangai. Off we go. Noko nangai. Number 7. What is the Lingala for my big sister? Yaya nangai ya mwasi, leki nangai ya mwasi, tata kulutu nangai, tata nangai. 5 seconds. Off we go. Yaya nangai ya mwasi. Number 8. What is the Lingala for my aunty? Nafanda kana, tata mwasi nangai, tata nangai, mama nangai. Off we go. Tata mwasi nangai. Number 9. What is the Lingala for my husband? Leki nangai, kombo nangai, yaya nangai, mobali nangai. Off we go. Mobali nangai. Number 10. What is the Lingala for my family-in-law? Libota nangai, kombo nangai, yaya nangai, libota ya mobali nangai. Off we go. Libota ya mobali nangai. Number 11. What is the English for my children? Libota nangai, kombo nangai, bana nangai, mobali nangai. Off we go. Bana nangai. Number 12. What is the English for my wife? Mwasi nangai, mobali nangai, bana nangai, tata nangai. Off we go. Mwasi nangai. Number 13. What is the English for my mom's big sister? Nafanda kana, mama kulutu nangai, tata mwasi nangai, mama leki nangai. Off we go. Mama kulutu nangai. Number 14. What is the English for my carer? Yaya nangai, leki nangai, mobali nangai, mobokoli nangai. Off we go. Mobokoli nangai. Number 15. What is the English for how are you or how you doing? Kombo na yo nani? Kombo nangai, yaya nangai, sango nini? Off we go. Sango nini. So that's it. Well done. So don't forget to leave your scores in the comment box. If you got 15 out of 15, 14 out of 15, 13 out of 15, or 12 out of 15, just leave your score in the comment box. You can keep on practicing it. So that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed watching it. Alright, don't forget to like, leave a comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.